Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Nurrahman Hikmawati Paduka from Islamic Religion Education Class L. Here I will present the result of a journal review with the title Analysis of the Quran Tutorial Planning Management and Teaching of Worship at the Sultan Agung Islamic University. With author name is Adfatul, Trijoko Raharjo, and Adit Yulianto. The purpose of this study was to analyze the management planning of the Al-Quran and Teaching Worship tutorial program at the Sultan Agung Islamic University, Semarang. This tutorial program aimed to eradicate literacy with a generation of Khairul Ummah, Tafaqquh Amar Ma'ruf Nahi Munkar by understanding the context of the Al-Quran. At minimum students are able to read and read verses of the Quran. The method used is a qualitative case study approach. The research subject consistent of the head of the Al-Quran tutorial section, tutorial coordinator, tutor and mentor, and tutorial participants. Data collection and includes using interview, observation, and document analysis. The research instrument is the research and the interview with observation and document analysis. The validity of the data is done by triangulation of circles and triangulation of binding. Data analysis uses interactive Mills-Huberman analysis, which consists of data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. The Al-Quran is a revelation from Al-Quran to the Prophet Muhammad taught the Angel Gabriel with content the tried stories wisdom of previous people, the rules of the Sharia, and the history of human civilization, and so on. Tutorial is defined as instructional, within the form of providing guidance, assistance, direction, and motivation so that students learn efficiently and effectively. Of a coin that cannot be studied. Based on an initial study from one of the tutors, it was revelation that the competence of the student is reading of the Quran variant. First, some students are able to read the Quran soundly with good mastery of tajweed and Quran material. Second, some students are able to read the Quran fluently but with weak master of tajweed and Quran material. Third, there are also students who are not fluent in writing and are wrong in handling tajweed and makhraj material. Fourth, there are some students who are new the Hijaiyah letter. The result of the student were confirmed by Irfan as a head of the Development Institute. In his speech at the opening of Islamic Religion Education tutorial proceedings on reading the Quran, the Insula Abu Bakar As-Sigaf Moscow Saturday. Quran in particular makhraj and tajweed, especially for certain are where there are still many errors in the pronunciation of the letter of the Quran itself. The tutorial program at Unisula contains planning elements that must be made in active order, namely, first, analysis of student need or problem. Second, analysis of university condition and situation. Third, setting goals. Fourth, determinant of this magnitude and activity strategies. list of activities. Six, determine the means and budget. The conclusion of the study are planning the Al-Quran tutorial program and Islamic jurisprudence carried out the Sultan Agung Islamic University Semarang. It can be concluded that in selection on setting the objective on the tutorial program and determining strategies, policies, projects, program, procedure, method, system, budget, and standard, they are carried out properly, so that the decision making is not involved in program function. The advantages of the journal are: first, causing a good title, so that is attract reader. Second, the journal is main source, consists correct. Third, the journal describes contemporary study from the introduction, method, result, and discussion and conclusion. Fourth, the word uses in this journal are standardized so that are easy to understand. Weaknesses in the journal are: first, the supporting data uses in drawing conclusion are lacking, only discussion general data. Second, it does not